I had to stop for the night. Oh yeah. There's a stir in the doorway. I heard a mission bell, and I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven and this could be hell.
Yo,
what's up?
It's very rainy day
Oh my
today.
god. So it's raining starting from the morning until at this time, 4 p.m. actually. So
It's actually very heavy rain, you can see.
and then flood. I will show you. It's rain, big rain.
It's 4 p.m. We're going to make a vlog, however,
Yeah.
it's rainy, but anyway, we have something to show you today, so stay tuned, like always.
Yeah. So because it is a very big rain, so yeah, like Damian said before, we just decided to explore the area just, you know, close by our house.
Close by our house, actually, that's the area of Sanur. We
Yeah,
have two
northern part of Sanur.
northern part of Sanur and southern part
Yeah.
of the Sanur, what we actually never show you somehow, I don't know why.
Yeah.
And because it's rainy and it's very cozy atmosphere.
Yeah, so
I
we
think
don't want to stuck in the traffic jam if we are going to Canggu
or in the flood, which is
in the
worse.
flood, because nowadays rainy season, flood season everywhere.
I saw on Instagram before we started
Yeah.
coming on in Tabanan, where is Winnie actually
Yeah.
coming from, like
Yeah.
the water was like a big flood
Oh my
on the bridge,
God.
and the water is falling down from the bridge to the river. That was like, wow.
Yeah, even in Canggu also we will see on Instagram like many people making a joke like they are surfing in the flood. So yeah, we decided just go exploring the area just close by our house.
Alright, so we arrived to the Padanggalak area in
Yes.
Sanur. So this is the Padanggalak area.
It is
beach
a
is
north-
over there
Yeah,
actually,
the beach is over
and
there.
Sanur city.
Yeah. So the Padanggalak beach actually it is a northern part of Sanur. As you see, the difference here is the sand. The color of the sand is black. If you compare with Sanur, is the white sand beach, but here is the black one with the so many rocks here.
Yeah, as you can see, and also just behind me on the other side, honey. Oh, let's
Yeah.
move. Where are you, honey? We get mixed up little bit. Position is the famous Padanggalak amusement park,
Yeah.
which is abandoned already many years ago. I will make a special vlog about this place using my new drone and everything one day soon.
Yeah, one day. Alright, so we are in a Padanggalak beach. As you see, there are so many offerings on the beach because this Padanggalak beach is actually famous for those Balinese who are doing blessing ceremonies, like also doing ceremonies, melasti ceremony, like once a year the Balinese going to the beach and do water blessing ceremony. So this is how it is. So here, as you see, it's not many people are swimming here because, as you see, the tide is higher and bigger than in Sanur. So yeah, people just come here just only for fishing, but not swimming.
So, by the way, this path is very good for people who would like to jogging and stuff like
Yeah,
this,
in the
morning
morning.
running. Also, you can come from here to Sanur or from Sanur to here. It's no problem. It's very easy access. The walk is like this full entire way. Yes, honey?
Yeah.
Some people there also learn how to drive. At least they're trying, right? Okay, so we are going now to Matahari beach. Actually, this is the southern part of Padanggalak. Yes, honey?
Yeah, so this beach is actually famous also for people who are Balinese people who are doing like releasing the ash to the sea. It's like the nganyut ceremony. You know, after the cremation, they releasing the ash to the sea here. And as you see around the sand, lots of offerings. So for those who asking us in Facebook like where was ash was released, so here it is.
At least somewhere in this area. It's
Somewhere
like,
in
no,
this
we don't know specific place, but
Yeah.
somewhere on this beach over here. I will show you the area right now.
That's how it looks actually, the area in Padanggalak and Matahari beach area.
Yeah.
So just in front of us, it's like the small kampung. I think that some people are living here, as you see over there.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
people living over here, and also a little bit more far behind this, there are new villas, new houses.
Yeah.
That's potentially the Padanggalak area, Matahari area. This is potentially the new residential area
Well, I think
in
that
Sanur.
I think that in the Padanggalak area also there are some hotels and guest house and private
Yeah.
villas or also commercial villas.
Yes,
So,
you also
yeah.
can stay like find some, especially homestays maybe not really hotel but homestays.
But
all-
the previous one there is a hotel but already bankruptcy, you know, like
so it's no more hotel here, but you know what I mean. And also I see over here is very big construction. That seems like maybe that's gonna be a hotel actually. So
Yeah.
we will see what's gonna bring future in this area in the next few years.
Alright, so now we are in Sanur. I mean like in the white sand beach in Sanur. So now is, you know, like chill
Yes, it is
Sanur
everybody still
after the
waiting for
rain, and then
requests.
there is the live band music behind me. So
Still gonna hurt you.
Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and moonlight offered to you. She tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah.
smacznego, honey. Very nice.
Very nice
Black
cake
Forest
and coffee.
croissant.
It only costs you 40K.
Some man's wrong by the Almighty.
Alright, so we are having having good time in Sanur. We had the coffee actually previously.
Yeah.
And then this musician starts singing. His voice is really
Oh my
nice.
god, I really love this
Amazing.
song. And then we decided to have a dinner.
Yeah.
While waiting, they are having a break. So we just want to have a walk.
On the beach, there's a lot of actually people here.
Look at behind us, the Mount Agung. It's so beautiful.
Over here, it's very nice. It's quite many people over here, but it's very positive vibe in Sanur Beach.
Look at these beautiful dogs. Oh my god, I asked permission to the owner, can I touch? But he's barking. Little one. Just wanna have a...
Dia takut air.
Marah nggak dia? Aku nggak.
Enggak, dia takut air.
Excited.
Oh,
Yes. You can steal it. Go on. Try to steal it. Alright, so that's how it looks, our day in Sanur.
Yeah.
The restaurant is very nice, highly recommended. We had 2 coffees, 2 chocolate croissants, black forest croissants, 2 bean tanks and pizza, and all cost us 230K.
Ooh.
So it's how many dollars? I don't know, I put on the screen some. However, not so bad.
And then the live band music, the singer is so amazing. He's so cool.
Really great voice. I will try to put. I think I will get a little bit problem with YouTube, so only few seconds, but you will see what I mean. I think also that's it for today's vlog. Yes, honey, you wanna say something?
Yeah, I think that's all our video from Sanur, our daily life in Sanur. So yeah, thank you for watching and
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
See ya, take care.